The Lane Departure Warning (LDW) and Intelligent Lane Intervention (ILI) systems are activated at speeds of approximately 37 miles per hour and above, and only when the lane markings are clearly visible on the road. These systems help monitor the lane markers on the traveling lane using a camera unit located above the inside mirror. The LDW system is activated when the camera detects that the vehicle is approaching the left or the right side of the traveling lane. A blinking lane departure warning indicator light appears in the instrument panel, and the steering wheel will vibrate to help alert the driver. When ILI is activated, the system helps assist the driver return the vehicle to the center of the traveling lane. This switch is used to turn the ILI system on and off, which is activated by the same conditions as the LDW system. To enable or disable the systems, use these controls to select settings: driver assistance, lane assist, then warning or intervention to enable or disable the system. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.